Hi guys, welcome once again to my channel. This is PINKROSE Studio. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this lovely design. It's a handbill or flyer or whatever you want to call it, and I made it in coreldraw. It's pretty much easy and very much straight to the point. So if you want to know how to design beautiful stuff like this for yourselves and where you can get images that you can use in your designs totally free of charge, then this video is for you. Sit tight while we get straight into it. Hi guys, this is PINKROSE Studio. Welcome once again to this channel. In this video, you're going to be learning how to design a flyer in coreldraw. If you have been wondering how you can get a beautiful flyer done in coreldraw at a very low time, and then this video is for you. It's pretty much easy to do. You just need to understand the basics and you're good to go. So let's get straight into it. So I'm going to open up my coreldraw and I'm going to set up my page. Okay, I like to leave my handbill page in A5 and change my units to inches. So I'm going to fill up this space with a box by double clicking on the rectangle icon, and I'm going to fill it with a white color for now. Now I got an image from Pixabay. This is the website. You can check out this website. They have loads of images that are free to use, so you can always go there and download your pictures for your designs. So I'm going to quickly pick my image which I already downloaded. Okay, let me quickly grab it from here. I just copied and I'm pasting in my document. So this is a picture of a lady. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this image in this box. So I'm going to Object, Power Clip, and place inside frame. Then I click on the image. Then I'm going to right click and select Edit to modify what I have placed in my box. Okay. Now this is the major image for this picture. So I'm going to place it how I will love it. Of course, I'm going to be placing some text, so I want my image in the right proportion. Now, I like uniformity in colors when I'm working. Like this is a purple dress, so I like to blend some purple in the background. I'm going to press function F11 on my keyboard, and that opens up the fountain fill dialog box. So here what you do here is you mix up your colors the way you want it. So I'm going to make this a very thick black. And on this end, now this is where the magic comes into play. Now I'm going to fill this end with the color on the lady's dress. It's for uniformity. You're going to love it at the end of everything. Now this is it. So I'm going to make the purple part to be close to her dress so the background blends very well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this, or I'll simply come here and place the angle at 90 degrees, and that gives me exactly what I want. So as you can see, it's blending, but where it's not very well because you can see the demarcation. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to place the image, the background, and increase it. So I'm going to pick up my transparency tool and drag on this lady's picture, and that gives me a transparent feeling, and that makes it very perfect. So her dress now is very much blended with the background, and that is exactly what I'm hoping to, what I wanted to achieve with this. So I've basically gotten my background ready, so I'm going to go ahead and start adding my text. I'm just going to pick up my text tool, drop it, and type what I want to type. Okay, so the name is Bella Beauty. Depending on how you want your design to look, you might want to make the name of the business as bold as possible so that someone who is looking at it can get the picture straight away. So this is Bella. I'm going to change the font to Futura normally has very bold font, but I'm not liking this for this design. Okay, no. Let me choose something like, yeah, let me go with robot condensed. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try to close up the space a little bit. For the beauty, I'm going to find some cursive font. I think this is not bad, but I'm going to reduce the size and place it neatly here. Now remember, for your hand-built designs, you don't want to be very close to the edges, because after making your print, it's going to be trimmed and you don't want to have some part of your text cut off. So I'm mindful of that. Oh, let me try another font for this. I'm not very comfortable with, sorry, I'm not very comfortable with what I have here. Okay, Vivaldi font. I love this font. Good for some kind of designs. Okay, there we have it. Now I'm going to go ahead to add the services at the middle. Services. Okay, I want this exactly at the middle. So I'm going to draw a box and place it at the middle by clicking P on my keyboard. Then I'll change the color. Of course, this is the color I like, but you can always play around with colors and see what works best for you. Okay. To bring your text to the front of the box, you simply press Shift and Page up on your keyboard. Then I'm going to select my text, hold Shift on my keyboard and select my background, then come up here and click Trim. What that does is it cuts out exactly what I have on my text. So I'm going to go ahead and list the services. Okay, I'll need to reduce the size to how I want it. Then I'll also add my address. Okay. Of course, whatever you're going to be doing is based on what your client wants or what you want. Now, for a handbill like this, I like to have images of the services rendered. You can place it in a box, or you can do something like this. I'm going to be placing the images in these circles. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to power clip it so these edges that are outside my handbill will fall exactly into the box. So that does it. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color to white. Of course, you can make it whatever you want. So I'm going to be doubling the circles by selecting, holding shift on my keyboard and dropping. Just press Ctrl R while clicking each of them to repeat the same process. So I'm going to head over to this website and make some downloads. Okay. No, I think I like the other one. Yeah, I'm gonna pick this one. Click on free download and download. I don't have that time to sign in right now, so I'm just gonna click this. Okay. Remember, I have 3 circles. I'm gonna I'm gonna download face makeover. Okay, let me change my keyword. I think makeup should be better. Yeah. Okay, this is good. Let me select this one. Of course, you can select whichever one you like. I just want to use this one for the tutorial I'm making. It's showing me this because I'm not signed in as a user. So to save yourself the stress of going through this each time you want to make a download, all you need to do is to create an account and always log in. So the last image I'm going to be, what were the services I listed again? Okay, I'm going to download a massage picture. This is good. Yeah, this is good. Mountains. Okay, verify. Download. Okay. So I'm gonna select the 3 images I downloaded and paste them in here. And when that is done, I'll quickly go ahead and insert them into the different circles I'm working with. Okay, so edit. Okay, so let me get rid of these lines, black lines around the circle, and that does it. Okay, so here we have it. Reduce this a little bit. So let's give this a little bit of colors. So press function F11 on the keyboard, and okay, let's mix up some colors, like some shades of gold. You can pick a color from her hair. And lastly, I'm going to mix up some colors here. Yeah, something like this. Minus 90 degrees. And here we have it. Okay. I think I'm going to increase these pictures a little bit. And Ctrl R to repeat the process. Okay, so this is basically this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel, and remember, you can always drop your comments in the comment section and tell me what you think about the tutorial, the video. And if there is a video you want me to make on graphics design, feel free to let me know and I'll do just that. Thank you, and see you in my next video.